Hi guys, good morning. Another day, another trip. We are going to Goa. Two people, you've already met them, Vrinda and Abhilasha. And it's my birthday trip, so it's going to be very exciting and fun. And it's kind of early in the morning. It's 8, so I'm like kind of sleepy. Let's just go. Hi guys, where are we?
Goa! It's on!
Goa is on!
Oh, vlogger vlogging hai. The most important part of the room. Bathroom.
How is it?
Nice. It's there.
Oh.
The window.
Oh.
I feel like Goa hotels are like made for like couples and like honeymooners and I'm like, why can't the bathroom just have a normal goddamn lock? Okay guys, now we're heading to this place called Kiki by the sea. We're going for lunch and hopefully the food is good because I'm starving and Vrinda did not let me eat a sandwich at the airport and I'm very upset about it.
She didn't allow her.
Look at these two photographers, videographers, cinematographers. पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. Even though we're staying at a resort, it's a fully private pool.
That's me. I'm the videographer for this vlog.
Okay guys, time to introduce you to this trio. This is Miss Abhilasha Wazir, fashionista, model, makeup genius. She's been doing her makeup for 1 hour. She looks the exact same.
Actually, such a liar.
And that is Vrinda, the personal bartender for the night. I am the game master for the night, and this is our game that we had chosen.
I only got.
Yes, I told her to get.
Yeah, because it's her birthday weekend, so we have to listen.
Yeah, so you have to listen to me. Guys, I think we've come to Goa at the wrong time. There is no one but us. It is our first night in Goa and we're at a Mexican restaurant and we're going to go to Romeo Lane now. But I just wanted to tell you that this is an avocado drink which I have never had and that's crazy to me. It's like they mash the guac and just put tequila in it and give it to me.
This is her birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Serena. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Now we're heading to Romeo Lane. So I have been here before. My beautiful friends have not. And they're drinking for the first time, looks like. So we're gonna party hard tonight. Hi guys, it is day 2 in Goa. It is also 2 PM and we're going for lunch. We woke up, we had awesome breakfast at the hotel and I usually don't say that, but their food was mind-blowing. And then we were waiting by the pool and there were people there and we were like, we don't want to get in. And then we were waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. And basically then we never swam, so we just came and changed. This is our room and yesterday night when we came back from the party, Vrinda and Abhi are very particular. Like they're like, the room needs to be clean, spick and span all the time, you know. But I'm not like that, so I really didn't care. But they were really heartbroken when the room wasn't clean. Okay. Yes, how did you like it, Suri?
It's actually very good.
Yeah.
It is dangerously good if I may say.
Oh god. Guys, this is the prawn curry I've been dreaming about. It's so red. I can feel the spice. So we are on the road where Dear Zindagi, you know that one iconic cycling shot that was shot was basically here. And I was very excited and I was like, oh my god, I live in Bombay but I haven't seen a shooting location for so long. So I was like, I'm gonna go see, and then I was like, I have not danced for very long. So I shot my first reel in like 4 months, which is crazy, but I did it. And these two madams were really helpful, even though I took a solid 10 minutes, but they were
Actually, you were a one-take wonder.
One-take wonder.
Cars almost crashed.
Anyone wants to hire me? I'm a one-take wonder.
Yeah.
So this is the road.
Yeah.
So I was taking Suri's video and this one guy, he literally like sped so highly. I don't know.
He was going at a normal speed at first.
Yeah,
But then
and
he saw Suri dancing and he saw me take the video.
Yeah, and then
He
it's like
Jaan Booj ke, he intentionally just like sped.
yeah. What a joke. Firstly, let me get
This is Arjun of our group. She's doing work.
Arjun of delivery.
This is Kabir.
Please.
Guys, this is the church from Simba. If you guys remember, and all the best. Now we're going. Abhilasha ma'am is not dressed for church. Actually, none of us are allowed to go in this church. So now we're all going to go home. What is this, Rinda?
This is the hospital from All the Best.
Basha Basu gets to know that she is pregnant. But with Ajay Devgan's kid. But then Sanjay Dutt and Nadeem Khan's kid. Too much fun. This is the very famous circle. जहाँ पर क्या हुआ था, guys?
Arey paglu, just chill.
Guys, we finally found the perfect sunset point. We're going to see the sun go down into those houses. And this is me. Beautiful drinks, beautiful scenery, and two idiots. Good turn, okay. Rinda, how was that?
Dude, it was bloody quick.
So now we are in Martin's Corner, which is my most favorite restaurant of Goa. And they have this Richardo masala, which they'll put, and you'll see me eating it. It's like red. It's going to be everywhere. You're going to crack the crab for me. So my personal opinion is, getting a de-shelled crab isn't as sweet and fun. But like when you can crack it yourself and take out the meat, it's like so much tastier and sweeter because mehnat ka phal meetha.
Okay, so we are trying the Goan speciality and it's called Urf. It has limca, chilies, lemon and their alcohol. What was
It
it?
tasted kind of like limbu punch.
Thank God, now she won't spill anything on my dress. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sunshine. Happy birthday to you. Hi guys, so we are ready to go out for the day. This is my outfit. I'm very proud. I bought these from Bangkok like many years ago. And I'm finally wearing them for the first time, so that's great. This is Abhi and Ree, fully dressed, sunglasses, boss bitch babes vibe. So the plan is to go to this place called Second House, which is like American Japanese. This is Second House. How cool is this place? Hopefully there is someone sitting here today, right now. Let's try a picante, which I've never had before. I like 8 on 10. Guys, I'm so sorry. I really wanted to vlog the food, but I was so hungry and the food was so good and so different. So yeah.
How is it? Review.
What?
It's good. So good.
Really?
And the picante
Guys, they moved us to the glass house section of the restaurant. Very pretty. This is so pretty. Can you see the water? We are at Pisco by the beach. Very pretty table that we have gotten. Yeah, so we've actually done nothing today except eat and drink, and we're back to now eat and drink. This is turning into a Sage family holiday. I feel like the Sage blood runs in me, and I never knew like it's coming up now. I'm like, what are we eating? What are we drinking, guys? What are we eating? What are we eating? And they're sick of this question.
We are literally asked today what we are right now at 5 p.m. on Sunday. She asked what we are having tomorrow for Monday dinner.
She just wants food. Okay guys, so these are the drinks that we have ordered. This is muskmelon, this is pistachio and basil, and this is a cranberry drink. 8.5. Very good. Pistachio basil mash is my favorite because I feel like pistachio is the flavor of the year. And passion fruit. No reaction. Roshni, hi bolo camera ko.
Again.
Guys, this is Roshni. She is braiding my hair. I'm getting my hair braid. I have never done it before. Very exciting. I feel like Monica from Barbados. See how cute. Hi guys, so we are back from exploring Goa today. It is actually only 8 p.m. I know it looks like it's some 12. It's only 8 p.m. I'm eating a chicken Caesar salad. Vrinda and Abhilasha are trying to make kappa ramen, but they are unable to open kettle.
Not the kettle, the bottle.
Oh, what? We are watching Happy New Year. Vrinda is unbraiding my hair now. Guys, this is our breakfast for the day. We're one musketeer down. Arjun had to go home, attend to some meetings. So it's just us now. So guys, today we are in jeans because we have to go to the airport. Bye-bye to the room. Bye. See you. Good time. 10 on 10 to Aftara Resorts. Superb, helpful, awesome food, awesome idli. That's all I want. Guys, look at our thali that we're gonna eat with the view. Samyanga packet. That's aloo, no? That's aloo. I like how none of us touched that. Vrinda, this one's for you.
I was about to review it. It's a parasailing.
Yeah. This is where my parents almost died. Okay, story time. So basically my parents, this was like 10-15 years ago, we had come to Goa with my parents and with Vrinda's parents. And my parents are very enthused. They wanted to do parasailing and all that. So everyone told them like don't do, you know, but they were like no, it's fine, we'll do. So they're like okay, so then we walked. And it was their turn next in line, and they said okay, like you know, they got harnessed up or whatever. They were going to be tied to the sail and the boat was supposed to go. But then these two guys came and they said, ma'am, please, hame jaane do, please. And my parents were like, theek hai, jao, like hame koi jaldi nahi hai, so you please carry on or whatever. So they let them go, and in front of our eyes, the string that attaches the boat to the parasail, it broke. They fell into the shallow water. One of them broke their leg and I think one of them passed away. And I was like, and obviously I was a kid at that point, so I was like, yeah, whatever. But now in hindsight, when I think about it, I'm like,
shit, that was so lucky.
सब लिखा है.
ये भी लिखा है.
Yeah, bro, obviously.
I want to learn how to make soul curry. So if any of you know of the recipe, please let me know. Guys, so now we're at this place called Baba Oram because I did not get to eat my beef burger. So we're here to get my beef burger, pack it and take it in the plane because we don't have time to sit and eat here. And I'm also not hungry because we just ate lunch. But I'm excited.
Yeah, is it that good?
I just miss beef so much. So we are in the airport and you guys know how much I hate vlogging in public, but we are 3 hours before our flight, which is sad because there's nothing to do in this airport except shop and eat, and I can't shop and eat anymore. My plea is that they have movie theaters in airports just so I can sit for 2 hours, watch a movie in peace and then go and catch my flight. You know, or like just an open theater where they're showing any movie. I don't mind. I'll just sit and watch and go. I don't understand what else people are supposed to do at the airport. Bye!